and changed it. Took all of my plans and rearranged them. Now I finally know what amazing grace is. When I look into your eyes, baby, I see my whole life.
Christian and Michelle have brought us together today to celebrate their love and union in matrimony, and I can't wait to see what their future chapters have to hold.
What you say we put us down some roots, found a house up on a hill, and travel around the world, put some pictures on the shelf. Hold you close and keep the faith, raise some kids with our last name. Well, come on baby, what you say we do? I feel like growing old with you. Growing old with you. Every day I love you better than the day before. Watching the sunsets fading from the front porch. We'll build this home together, weather any storm. And as the years keep rolling on, you'll be right where I belong. What you say we put us down some roots, found a house up on a hill, travel around the world, put some pictures on the shelf. Hold you close and keep the faith, raise some kids with our last name. Well, come on baby, what you say we do? I feel like growing old with you. Growing old with you. What you say we put us down some roots, find a house up on a hill, travel around this world, put some pictures on the shelf.
Michelle May, you are absolutely stunning today. You know me better than anyone else in this world. You are my best friend and one true love. I vow to continue to be your travel buddy wherever that may take us. I vow to be a present parent of the children we bring into this world. And I vow to always kiss you goodnight. I love you, Michelle.
Your love has now been strengthened by the promises you have made. Your happily ever after begins today. I now pronounce you married.
You treat me just like a child, and they say I'm so shy, yeah. But with you, I just